Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to make stickers in Snapchat. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to Snapchat application. Now what you're going to do is simply take a picture. So I'm going to take a picture of this. Now in order to create a sticker, you'll have to simply click on this scissor icon, that is the fourth option from the top. Click on the scissor and select an area. For example, I'm selecting this. As you can see, if I click on done, this will become my sticker. Now, if you want your sticker to be ellipse or rectangle, just select that shape and choose a rectangular area. Now click on done at the top right, and as you can see, this has generated me a sticker. You can do the same again. Click on the scissor, select an area, or you can also choose ellipse, choose an area, select done, and this has generated me another sticker. Now, in order to access those stickers, you'll have to click on this paper icon just below the pencil icon. Click on this paper icon and select this scissor icon again. And as you can see, all the stickers that I have created is appearing just right here. You can choose these stickers from here and put it on any of the picture you have created. So that's a simple way you can create stickers on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.